Hello students, KTHM College, Department of Political Science. Myself Chandanshive Vasudha welcome you all again for the subject Human Values and Human Rights, which is credit based. So students, in the previous lecture, we have learned about the significance of value, the basic concept, what is human values and its elements such as dignity, liberty, equality, justice, after that ethics, moral, university and diversity. We have learned about this all elements. So now in this lecture we are going to learn about the human education. The human right education we are going to learn. Okay? So students, the we will see the meaning and significance of human right education. But as we know how education is very important and it's very necessary as the basic need as food, shelter, and education and medicals. It is very important. So education should encompass values such as peace, non-discrimination, equality, justice, non-violence, tolerance, to live in peace and security, and respect for human dignity. So these objects can be achieved only through imparting human rights education, which is an integral part of right to education. So human rights and duties, education helps in achieving a comprehensive growth of every society. So after that, according to the UN decade document for human right education, which was completed in 1955 to 2004. So according to the UN, the meaning of the human right means a lifelong process by which people at all levels of development in all strata of society learn respect for the dignity of others and means and methods of ensuring that respects in all society. So, this definition gives a clear dimension that people living in any society have to discharge their duties with utmost sincerity at all times without any deviation. Such practice will promote the freedoms of all and could transform a society to achieve its objects. So, this being the concern of human rights education, impartation of its result into achieving the principle of democracy, rule of law, and social justice. So, further we will see it will help to establish peace and security, and in after that the further stage will be enables us to achieve an all-round socio-economic and political and cultural sustainability. So this is the importance of the human right education. So students, in this slide we are going to learn about the objective of human education. So the first one is human rights education promotes respect for human right of all individual. Very important. After that, it develops the knowledge, skill and values of human rights. It develops the socio psychological human personality. It helps people and policymakers to evolve the ways and means to overcome the problems of each nation and that of the international community. It helps to foster understanding, tolerance, and gender equality. It's very important. The bias which is there, it's very important, which should be not practiced. The bias. After that, it develops friendship among all nations and eliminates racial, ethnic, ethnic, religious, and linguistic differences. Okay, so these are the objective of human education, human right education. So students, the last thing which I should tell you that there are various models that follow the values of human rights education, but we will see the three that are the values and awareness model. The first one, the second one is accountability model, and after that the transformational model. So in the values and awareness models, this model focus on transmitting basic knowledge of human rights and to foster the integration into public values through and circumulations of educational institute. This is the values and awareness model. After that, the accountability model. This model focuses on the way in which the professional responsibility to inculcate directly monitoring human rights violation and advocating the authorities to protect the right of people. And the last one, the transformational model, is this model aims to empower the individuals in order to recognize the abuses of human rights and their prevention. So this being the core concept of human education, human right education. So UN has framed guidelines to propagate human right through various methods and means both in the international and national levels. So these are the three important models of the human rights education. So students, we have done with this lecture. Thank you all of you.